Hey guys, it is Marianne from Thrive with your tip of the day. Today we're in Excel and I wanted to talk to you about how easy it is for you to resize a cell or a row if you want to do it manually so that you've got complete control over the exact size of a specific row or column. Now, why would you do this? You might not like the way AutoFit works with it. You might want to have a certain amount of space around things. You might be a control freak, and that is all okay. All right. We don't need to automate everything all the time. We can still take some control and do things manually. So in this example here, I have got my spreadsheet, and you can see that besides the first and last name columns and the postcode, and it looks like the state, all of the others are a little out of whack. And that's because they're different data and they need a different amount of space each time, which is fine, but I don't want to auto fit them. I want to make it so that it looks pleasing to the eye as far as I'm concerned. So to change the column widths, all we do is hover our mouse or our cursor over the line between the columns and hold the mouse down, and we can drag it. You can see it's changing the width. I'm going to make this one. So you can see here, this one still is really tight on the side here. So I'm actually going to pull it out even further so we get some white space. This one I'm going to pull out a little bit just to see how we go. Personally, because I am a bit fixated on these things, I like things to be round whole numbers if I can, just because it's easier for me and my brain to work things out. It's personal choice. I might decide that the street name I want to give plenty of space. Yes, it's pushing things out, but it means that I can very specifically control the size and the width. Works the same way with our rows. Remember, with a row, obviously for a column, it's then taking care of all of the rows of data. But with a row, it is very specifically for the one above. So you can see it's bringing that line down. So if I was to make this one bigger, you can see it hasn't affected any others. I can select multiple ones if I wanted to and make them bigger, and it will again only apply to the ones that I've chosen. So if you've got large amounts of data and you want to wrap text, or you want to be able to see it in a more of a table style where the text sits in the center, this is a great way for you to take control of that and be able to customize the look of your information so that the right pieces of data are accessible, legible, and able to be viewed by everybody who might see it. Get in and have a play and see what works for you.